Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the if-else. So first of all, what is the if-else? The if-else is just how your computer make the decision on the basis of condition. If the condition is true, the computer execute one block of code. If the condition is not true, the computer execute another block of code. Let's suppose your computer check if you are a boy, so your computer will open the boys website. If you are a girl, so your computer will open the girls website. So now here I'm gonna create the if else condition. First of all, write the if, then the parentheses, and then brackets. Here is the brackets, and then save it. And now in between these parentheses we need to write the condition. Here is the condition. I'm going to write a simple condition. If 4 is equal to 4, so the code which we will write in this brackets, so that code will execute. But here why we write the 2 equals? Because this is the equality operator. This equality operator check is 4 is exactly equal to the 4. This is only for checking the equality of the numbers. This is not for assigning the number to a variable. When we assign a number to the variable, so we write only one equal, but here we are comparing the number, so we have to write 2 equals. So now here I'm going to write the text. Here sys out, and now I'm going to write condition is true. And now let's execute the program, and here you see that this condition is true. 4 is equal to 4. And now if the condition is wrong, so what we need to do, we have to create another part, that is else part. So when the condition is not true, so this part will execute. Here I'm going to write sysout control space, and here I'm going to write condition is not true, and here I'm gonna change the condition. So this condition is wrong, so now this part is not execute, this part will execute. And here you see that condition is not true. And you can also compare the variables. Here I'm gonna write integer number is equal to 10, and here I'm gonna write the number. Here is the num. And now if the 10 is equal to 4, so this condition will execute, but here the 10 is not equal to 4, so this condition will execute. Here I'm gonna execute this, and here you see that condition is not true. And now here you see that if the first condition is wrong, so the computer will automatically execute the else part. But if we want to create more than one conditions, so you can also create these conditions. Here in the else part I am gonna create another condition. Here I'm gonna remove this, and here in the after the else I'm gonna write if number is equal to 10. If the number is equal to 10, so say number is equal to 10, num is equal to 10, and now let's execute it. So now num is equal to 10. Why? Because first the computer check this condition, 10 is equal to 4. No, this is totally wrong, so computer will not execute it. Computer automatically reach at this else part, and then computer check if number is equal to 10. Yes, number is equal to 10. Then computer execute this statement. And now here I'm gonna make another part. If the both conditions are wrong, so this else part will execute. Here is the else sys out both conditions are false. And here I'm gonna change this condition to make it wrong. And now let's check it. Here is the both conditions are wrong. So this is the way we can use the if else if